people, this is your girl Sweetie Baby, and you are watching Ring TV.
Sammy K always screenshot shot it out on the page. We'll be a screenshot it out from my page. So I mean it's still everywhere. And you know who delete it right now, it's still there.
And yeah, when delete it, all options are about Becca said. Sorry, guys in the media. This tweet, you know, and I'm gonna tweet here, we pee and a tweet here. So I'm going to interview, I mean, I'm Bissau, who post favorite trouble. And
oh, of course, and Gabeka. Yeah, tell me, say, now I wanted to come out because me who I didn't know me who tweeted Anopano, right? Because we had a shoot. Now, me share internet no. Now me who say I think the dear Kosopa from left and right, front and back. I'm everywhere. Maybe share videos now there.
But why can't see the live?
Live because now we were shooting.
When they do a temper,
some of them ready, my time. But Obia no problems and say I go fear someone.
Go fear someone?
Yes.
Only no problem, say.
Problem because say Obia there now I year you correct them. What I say. You correct them by telling them what to do. What I say. But in Sambia okay, let's just say you have a personal problem with me. What I say. Because what if I did personal? And I okay and some and some about my career near the day, which I think is not pleasant. What I say. Instead I'm about some come dream. But with the media thing, I think I've made it clear. I've apologized to everybody because meaning say at this point, yeah, Okosoba is my page. Twitter is my page. Internet, I can say, and I'm tweet here, crying, and still people are doubting. So,
that's another school of thought. And I already media not them said it. Yes, you are very bad. I said, okay, it's a matter of being attention. Ola Michael,
yes,
the someone will be able to attend. It's an agenda, and no, and also, and we are afraid about quiet interview. It's so what person in the attention. Did you